have some Pennywort. Vietnamese, we call it Rau. So I really enjoy eating this. I think I pay about $3 for a bag at, Lump Seafood or Chợ Ba Ming. I haven't seen other places sell Pennywort, fresh Pennywort. And I enjoy drinking them. Pennywort drink. They usually buy an extracted syrup, and then they mix it with water and then ice. So I don't like that. I like to grow my own. So there's two types. There's another lighter green color, not as shiny in leaf, for the Pennywort, but we grow this one, and they come back. They die in the winter and they come back in the spring and summer, and they're so easy to grow. They prefer a little bit more wetter type of soil, so they're really easy to grow, and if they get on the ground, they will grow all over the ground. Oh yeah, I think they're called invasive for that reason.